Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant-style tomato-free vindaloo. Unlike most recipes, this dish is entirely tomato-free, slightly lighter in appearance, but with the same traditional sourness. As always, a full list of ingredients is in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video, and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, cut up your choice of protein and marinate it in oil, garlic, ginger, crushed black peppercorns, vinegar, and a little Naga pickle with using. Cover and leave to marinate in the fridge for at least an hour. Now, in your pan, add the oil and finely diced onions and cook on low to medium until the onions have softened and begun to caramelise, stirring frequently. Take your time here, the caramelised onions are the key to flavour. Add in the cloves, garlic paste and sliced finger chillies. Stir through and allow to cook for around 30 seconds to reduce the bitterness of the garlic. In with the spices, so add the chilli, coriander, sugar, cumin, turmeric, salt and cardamom seeds, along with a little base or hot water if required to keep things moving. Allow to fry gently for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate. Add your marinated protein and stir in to stop it drying out, allowing to brown for a couple of minutes. It's fine to add a little water or base if it's looking a little dry to prevent burning. Now add half of the base and stir through well. Turn up the heat to medium-high and allow it to reduce by half before adding the rest. Allow the dish to reduce by half again and add your choice of vinegar and most of the fresh chopped coriander. Stir through well and allow to cook until your choice of protein is cooked through and the sauce is the consistency you require. Serve sprinkled with the remaining fresh coriander. Please remember to check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.